participate in PLUME Airdrop. Congratulations. If you don't, no problem. Don't worry about it. Just do these registrations before 18th. Okay. So, anyways, I'm just going to show you PLUME Airdrop. Allocation checker will be live pretty soon. Okay, this January, February, March. Among these 3 months, allocation checker will be live. Okay, so first, what you need to do in order to down it, you need to copy this thing and you need to paste into your browser. So interface would be look like the same of everybody. Okay, and you need to get the next option going, connect wallet. Just simply click on the connect wallet, select Metamask and put your Metamask password on. Now what you need to do, simply click the unlock and simply you need to connect your wallet with Plume website, and then what will be happen, you will be get started option. Now slightly do scroll, this will be coming. Okay, just click the continue and simply click continue, and you need to connect your Twitter wallet, connect your Discord wallet. So simply click the Twitter wallet for connecting and then click the authorization. Okay, you will be get authentication button for connecting Twitter with Plume website. So I'm going to connect in front of you. How do I connect? See it. So wallet connect on, Twitter connect on. Now we will be connected Discord. So simply I will click on Discord section and it will be bring me again in the authentications authorized page, where what they will be say to us will be say that you need to connect your Discord with our website. So simply authorize, click on there, it will be immediately connected with Plume website. Simple as that, not tough as much as you think, but let it check that is that the tick mark has been showed up or not. Simply click the continue again and click the sign. Your MetaMask will be get again notified by your signing that you are contracting with this project, and then click the submit and follow them on Twitter. If you don't, because of you connected your Twitter, they will be check either you follow their social media or not. Okay, then come in your registration. You are registered. Okay, you done it. Thanks you for registering for PLUME Airdrop. How the update will be shared on their Twitter. Okay, so simple as that. And if you get this video slightly valuable, please do consider to join in our Telegram channel. So this is our Telegram channel. This on people are from different country. People are doing comment in here. Okay, they are saying why you don't replay. I will do replay, man. No problem. So just come in. Okay, so here I do share this type of airdrop. You can be join in here. Okay, I will try to do my best in here. Okay, every day I do allocate 4 hours for doing airdrop. So these 4 hours I do include this list, and you can do this list too. Okay, with me. So if you are passionate about, serious about airdrop, you can do join in my channel. 276 people, so much small, but they're from different country. Okay, all around the world. Okay, therefore I need to be more aware, more conscious about potential airdrop, and I try to do my best at video, and improving day by day. Okay, so please pray for me as I can provide more value to you.